This clock is not cool enough, so let's build this. I have tried to create a sketch on Photoshop. It's not looking great because it's two-dimensional and it's not rendered. But I believe it's gonna be great at the end of the project. Now let's order a clock mechanism for project. I have printed this template. Let's plan how we are gonna do it. Let's cut some wood.
Two 2,000 years later.
Not very bad, actually.
A few moments later.
Now main parts are ready for gluing and I will be doing that. Then I will cut pieces for the final shape. Now glue has dried and we will get rid of these excess parts. Yes, now this is nice and clean and we will glue these parts. Now we will trim the unnecessary parts here. I have decided to fill these gaps because some of the markers will be on these empty spaces and it's not gonna be good. So let's fill those gaps. Now, let's paint this. It's ready. And we will glue those. We will glue these. What to call these? I don't know. We will glue these parts.